Welcome back to another Aquapyra video. Today we are going to be testing Nuclear Blast Testing Facility. Now this game I really like. I have about 40,000 minutes on my main account and it's actually worth it. The game is so fun. It's just a nuclear bomb testing facility game. You can be either rebels or facility. The rebels' job is to eliminate the facility and blow up the facility with codes that they gather from around the facility. Let's go test it out and join the game. Okay, we are joining the game right now. Here we are. We are currently spawned in the regular spawn for everyone, and then we have this menu. Invite friends, how to play, customize, change team, game shop, and donate. We're gonna change our team. This time, we're going to be rebels. Now everything from commando up, you have to pay. As you can see, commando is around 350, yes. And hitman is I think 500. Yes, 550. And then overseer is around the same as the facility director, which we will get to in a moment. Exactly 3,000. Now let's be a raider, which is a free team. Okay, we are a raider and we are in the rebellion base. First, let's start off by seeing our weapons. We have an AK-47, whatever this is, a crowbar, which is basically just a melee weapon, a rebel keycard for opening rebel doors, a virus kit for hacking the data center in the facility, which can make all doors from the facility unlockable by rebels, an ID card for the rebels, which doesn't work right now. Okay, there it is. The terminal, and that's it. Now we can go to this custom tab, and we can see all of this. Statistics, reactor operator, team, and minute ranks. Now we can go here and we can see stuff like that. And then we have team promotions for raider. You can see that. We have all these and stuff like that. Now we can start actually doing our stuff. We have our showers. We have the rebellion locker for raiders. Basically, once you level up, you can get better things like that. This SR2. Sorry about that. This Groza, I think that's how you pronounce it. This, and that, and more unlockable weapons and tools coming later. Now we can exit out of there, and we can go and start our first mission. As of course, after we review the rebellion ways. We have the raid leader office, which is a GP or a game pass. We have the break room, and we have the 2 garage, which is down, but we'll go after that later. Here we have our armory, our little areas over here, cafeteria, and then we have another garage area, and then we have the meeting room. Over here we have some signs: NBTF will pay, glory to the resistance, NBTF will pay, glory to the resistance, glory to the resistance. But yeah, basic rebel things in NBTF. Now over here we have our, of course, rebellion executive offices. Stolen experimental weapons, rebel executive access only. We have this. We have this. We have this. We have this. And we have that. Now inside of this you have, I can't show you right now, but over here we have some announcement areas, and then a little elevator going up to another announcement area, and basically a little area just to see the facility and stuff. Kind of like a watchtower. Now down here is the garage. Now over there, that is a spy area to spawn a fake delivery carrier and pretend to be a delivery person. And then we have our raider buggies. Let's spawn one of those. Now we can go to the facility, which is over there. Yeah, that's the little watchtower I was talking about. And yeah. Now here's the facility, and we have an alerting system right now. We have a code yellow, level 3. I'm gonna go ahead and practice some combat. That was pretty easy, which you'll see later in the in our session, basically. Now this door is already hacked by the person with the virus kit, but now I can just press E and open this door. It seems to me that there's not a lot of people up here in these gates, so I wonder where they all went. See? The council executive, which is a facility executive, said code yellow, there is a rebel in the building. I am one of the rebels, as it says rebellion over my name. We have another hacked door. Then we have the interior checkpoint, which I cannot access, unfortunately, as I am a rebel. Now, when you're in a facility team, each team has a certain facility keycard, as you will see. Oh geez. For that, there's like 18 people there. Okay, so each team has a certain key. There are level 3, level 1, level 2, level 3, level 4, level 5, level 6, and level 99. Level 99 is restricted to the owner. Basically, level 99 gives you access to blow up the code whenever you want without having to be a rebel or anything. Now let's shoot it and do this. There, that was easy. So I'd have to buy Warlord, which is another rebellion executive, to get that car. Here we are, we're driving down into the SCC, Strategic Command Center. This is basically for high ranks like Facility Director, CE, Council Executive, things like that. And here we have our Director Sedan, which is a Rolls Royce. We have the Director ABC, which is a tank. We have the Executive Tactical SUV, it's kind of like an armored thingy. Then we have our Charger, which is for the CE. We have a Director Limousine, which says Office of the Director. We have the Government SUV, kind of big, it's only for the council or the government officials. As you can see, if I try to drive it, it will say Government Official. The Government Sedan, it's very small, anyone can drive it. As you can see, I can drive it. Then you have your council executive weapons. Short range is the ones, short range ones, long range. Then we have our director weapons, which are all energy, mostly energy weapons. We have the energy PLMG over there, kind of rapid fire and things like that. Now over here we have some of our government ranks, and then we have this emergency elevator, which we can activate on in a team of authority. If we go down the elevator, we can see that we can enter the bunker, which is for when the car explodes. Now is this government locker, which is for government official, IA, intelligent agent, and what is it called? Protection services. Right here, protection service, government official, and intelligence agent, I think. Now up here, we also have this, and conveniently enough, I am on the wanted dead or alive right here. which is surprising. I think I'm one of the only rebels in the game, but yeah, basically if I'm on there or anybody's on there, they're wanted by the entire facility and everyone wants to get them. Now up here we have our executive offices for the director, which is right here. We have a little lounge right there, and then we have the office in there and a drone spectate. We can spectate all facility members except the rebels. And then we have the CE office, restricted, level 5 access. And then we have a turret right there. If they enable it, which is right there, they can kill me. I'm gonna try and kill him. Okay, he did not die. We're gonna skip on that. Oh, there he is. I better run or else they're gonna get me. Okay, we're exiting the SCC. Perfect. Oh, there's a rebel right there. I'm gonna check if it's not an intelligence agent, which can disguise as a rebel. No, P is a rebel. Now we're gonna go over to the bomb explosion area. Basically, they test little nuclear bomb thingies over here, and it's kind of fun sometimes when you're on the team that does that. Now over here we have a entrance to the what do I call it? We'll see once we get up there. Okay, that is a special task force. The Weapons Research Center. This is data hacks that we can enter. Okay, here we go. Over here we have our hazmat suits, which can kind of disguise us. We have the area to kind of edit them. We can make it we can make it antimatter, dark energy, cryogenic, and of course, this noxious electric are standard. Unfortunately, none of them are in stock except, yeah, none of them are in stock. But we have lots of fuel. 134 tanks of fuel. Now over here we can enter over here. Up there we can see kind of a elevated view. Then we have this area. Give me a second to glitch in here. Used to open doors or mindsets. Yes. Okay, over here is a nuke launching center. You can scan the launch key from on a facility team and launch the nuke. Over here you can pick if you want it to be a certain target spawner. For example, we can have big office, which is an office. We can have a lighthouse, which is a lighthouse. We can have a warehouse, a medium office, small office, Minecraft house, construction site, and of course the big office again. Over here we can see our launch history, which is two of them were by this guy, 111 and 598 launches to date in the server. That is displaying the last 6. Here we can access the scientist camera, things, camera feed. You can see the ground zero midpoint, ramp area, rocket construction, rocket forging, warhead builder, and west observation point. Out of there, we can come over here and see that we are currently on code red immediately, which means the facility is locked down by some walls that rebels have to throw in if they want to get in. It's not as easy as how I demonstrated before. Now over here, we can forge the rockets, and basically you die if you jump into that. And it collects the cores that you use if you are on the delivery driver then you can bring a core and you can deposit it over, where is it? You can deposit it in the receiving department, which we'll get to soon. And from there it goes to the forging area and it burns into a core. See, here we have this tank for the office of director, and I believe we just dropped off a core right here. Okay, over here we're approaching the cafeteria for all facility members. It's very nice. It also holds one of those codes that you can use to blow up the facility. Now, this code has been redeemed so it isn't green. If you can redeem it and use this to blow up the core, it would be green. Now, the facilities, the cafeteria in the facility still has some uses. Like, it has this coffee machine, the milkshake machine. Aga's Appliances, fun fact, is actually, I think, a moderator in this game. We have the milkshaker 9000. Then we have our coffee right here. We'll get to that in a second. Then we have a microwave. It doesn't work though. And we have the coffee. It's actually a Gear ID, Roblox Interns 2010, in case you were wondering. And then over there is the data center where you can hack. I'll show you how to do it. Now the first option is to build a truss. You used to be able to access it by just building a truss and climbing into the data center, but it's a little trickier now. First we can build a truss. We're up above. Now the data center is in there, that green area. So we're gonna have to come over here. As you can see, it's not a one-way door, so you have to go down here. This is a one-way door. We have to get our crowbar and glitch in. It's a little bit hard to glitch in this one, but there we go. I got it. Now we can get our virus kit, come over here, and interact with the data center console. Now this will pull up this, a Screama OS, to hack the server. We're gonna click that, click that, click that, click that, and click that. Now we have hacked the data center. Now we're going to run out and away, and the data center is hacked. It's a pretty easy process, but it's worth it. Now over here, back there, you may see that, in case you were wondering, that is the regular lounge. On the other platforms that NBTF has, like Discord, if you become a regular or a moderator, there is a little garage and one door there that you can access, and it takes you into the garage. Then from there, if you have the certain permissions, you go through a laser door and it takes you up with an elevator to that regular lounge. It's cool, but it's not many people use it unless you join a moderator. Then you can see them using it. Over here, we're going to actually enter the internal security checkpoint, or office, if you will. Interior checkpoint. Then we have another one of the code thingies. If it's green, remember you can take that as a rebellion using, where is the thing? The terminal access key. You can access the terminal or the code thingies, and once you get the code, you enter it into the core, which we will see soon. Over here, we have a security supervisor that we can kill, I think. Yeah, he is not budging. Okay, up above here, we just have the standard area, and you may be wondering what that is over there. That is the energy generation center, aka core. We are going to kill this protection service. Okay, I got it. Well, okay, I got him. Now to enter to the core. As you remember, those spawn in the SCC, so he will probably not find me. Unfortunately, there are many facility people at the core, so I'm going to need to be very cautious while I enter the Energy Generation Center, aka core. As you can see, there is one of them. Okay, I better run. I just got killed. Now, as you can see, you can also read this. The how to play bar. We have game tips, explore the facility, role play, and things like that. Of course, yeah, then we have our role duties. Take employees hostage. Keep in mind, this is different for every role. And then we have our rules. Role play is optional. Exploiting is prohibited. No spamming, no spawn camping. Then we have commands. Our toggle morph head removes morph head accessories, customized, and more coming soon. Then we have our controls, which is new. The Y, toggle gun camera, shift, and console controls coming soon. As you can see, this is what happens when you press Y with a gun. Goes into first person. Now, if we press shift, then if we press shift, get it, and equip it, as you can see, sometimes it's buggy. See, it is buggy right now. Anyways, here I can edit also this, my target. I find that the people like to wear that. The people in NBTF like to wear the where do I see it? The pink thingy, the pink like checkers, like the no texture found thingies. They say that all NBTF weaponized personnel have a pizza party at Rebel Gas. Forgot to include that, but it's a perfect time to include Rebel Gas and the recently expanded Rebel Hill. Okay, so above here you may see that there is some areas up there. We call it Rebel Hill. If you go over here, and right here, there is a Rebel key card. Basically just equip that and you can access that. It's just going into where the meeting room is. Now if you come up here, and it seems like a lot of people are going to the pizza party, you have Rebel Gas, 24/7. Over here, it's not much of a functional gas station, but it's fun. It's a store, and you have a truss leading to the roof. Up here you have a casual gas thing, and then we have this, and we have that. As you can see, it opens up a area. We can go here, and if we go down here, we can see that the Rebel jail is below the street jail, which is here. That's a garage over there. This is interrogation. This is a check-in, cell 1, cell 2, and cell 3. Basically, you can close it, then you can lock it with that, and it locks it, but you can of course glitch out. For example, close it, and then if I come up here, then I can lock it, and I'm locked. But then if I glitch out again, I can press F and to unlock, and then I can press E to open it and E to close it. It's simple to glitch out, but yeah. Here on the main floor, we have this. As I was saying, we can see the core and everything if we somehow manage to get to the EDC, but I don't think this is happening in this video. So thank you for tuning into Aqua Pyro.